So here we are, the edge of the ocean. You know, my wife and I, for I think 7 years in our family, of course, we lived in Alberta, and I love the mountains, especially Jasper. I love Jasper National Park. Banff was nice too, but really Jasper was more my thing. It's, you know, less people, a little bit more down to earth and whatnot. Anyways, but this is why I love living by the ocean right here. I'm gonna miss this particular view here. It's very windy, as you can probably tell. In fact, you might not be able to hear anything I'm saying. Maybe the wind is so strong. I do have a lavalier mic on, but it's hard to say if it's really keeping up or not. So as you can see, some pretty good white water. Nothing you could surf on, obviously, but definitely neat. Gotta like the ocean, you know. Over there is Beaver Harbour, or parts of it anyways. On the other side of it's where most of the houses are, but if you look straight in here, see if I can zoom in for you. There's Deadman's Harbour. There's a neat story that explains that. I wouldn't be able to tell it good enough. I'd probably wreck the story, but that's Deadman's Harbour in there. Yeah, I kind of sit here for a while, you know, just enjoying nature. Creation's a pretty interesting thing. Wow, that's a nice one there. Now, you're probably wondering, some of you that don't live in New Brunswick, how cold is that water or how warm is it? See, I gave away that I'm Canadian because I said how cold. Anyone else not from Canada is probably asking how warm is it? Well, how cold is the better answer, or a better question. I honestly don't know, but I know it's cold. I can guarantee you that. Now, it doesn't usually freeze in the winter, so it'd be just because of the water movement, obviously, out here in the open water, but you would not want to be in that right now. There's no way. No, I'm not getting in that. If anyone's hoping I'm going to get in, absolutely not.